How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can animate in FireAlpaca. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is to actually create a new file. And from here, you can now start drawing the thing that you want to animate. So in my case, it's going to be this ball right here. And then you want to create a new layer. But before you do that, just navigate through animation, click animation mode, create a new layer, and then you could proceed by creating your layer right here. So let me just go ahead and add multiple layer, and we'll just simply animate this ball right here. And then if you want to view your animation, you could click animation, select autoplay, and then you could see the total or the overall animation that we have made. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.